Okay, determine the average relative atomic mass of an element from percentage isotopes. Okay, this is the percentage given carbon, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 isotopes. Percentage natural abundance percentage, chlorine 35 is 75%, chlorine 37 is 25%. Determine average relative atomic mass. So average relative atomic mass is mass of mass multiply mass of 5. There are two isotopes, so you do mass of first isotope multiply natural abundance of percentage of first isotopes, then plus mass of second isotopes and percentage of second isotope. If 3 isotopes, you write plus mass of third isotopes multiply mass of percentage of third isotopes. Here 2 isotopes, you write at first mass of first isotope multiply percentage of first isotope plus mass of second isotope multiply by percentage of second isotope divided by 100. Okay, so here given natural available percentage of chlorine 35 is 75% and natural available percentage of chlorine 37 is 25%. So here mass is 35 and for this isotope percentage is 75, so 35 multiply 75. Then second isotope mass is 37 and its percentage is 25. Then finally both summation, here 2 summation and multiplication, this result to parameters and this result to summation of these 2 multiplication, then finally divided by 100. So here is 26,125 plus 925 divided by 100 total, so it is 35.5. Then determine percentage of isotopes. Here percentage determines relative atomic mass, average relative atomic mass is given 63.5 is given, this one is given. So we know this relative atomic mass, we know mass of first isotope multiply percentage of first isotope, mass of second isotope multiply percentage of second isotope divided by 100. Relative atomic mass is given 63.5. So calculate the percentage of 2 isotopes. Percentage of 2 isotopes will suppose percentage of copper 3 isotope 63 isotope X. So what will be percentage of copper 65 isotopes? We know total abundance is 100. It is 10. It will be 100 minus 10, so 90. So we write the percentage of copper 63, let X. So percentage of copper 65 will be 100 minus X. Relative atomic average relative atomic mass of copper is given 63.5. Now calculate the percentage of copper 63 and copper 65. We know the relative atomic mass is 1. Relative atomic mass 63.5. Mass of first isotope 63 and its isotope percentage is X. 65 isotopes and its percentage is 100 minus X divided by 100. এগুলো সাইড নোট, এগুলো কাটা যাবে. So we are now this here. Relative atomic mass is given 63.5. We know the relative atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope multiply percentage of first isotope plus mass of second isotope percentage of second isotope. If 3 isotope, you write plus mass of third isotopes into percentage of third isotopes, so on. But 2 isotopes, you write 2, then divided by 100. Here relative atomic mass is given 63.5. So you write 63.5. Mass of first isotope is 63 and its percentage we take let x plus 65. Its percentage we let 100 minus x divided by 100. So we side change. This left hand side we take right hand side, and right hand side put left hand side. So here 100 into 63.5 into 63 150, and 63 into x 63x, 65 100 65 into 100 means 65 100 600 6500, and 65 minus the 65 minus x equal to 60 minus 65x. So 63x and minus 65x is minus 2x. This is 6500 is left hand side we take, it will be another 0 here will be. এখানে কত হবে 6000 কি হবে 500, এখানে একটা শূন্য দিতে মিস গেছে কি, এখন 500 হবে। হ্যাঁ, এখানে একটা 0 দিয়ে দিও। 600 তো এখানে মাইনাস করলে হবে minus 150, minus 2x minus 150 minus cut, so 2x 150, so x equal to 150 divided by 2, so x equal to 75. So percentage of copper is 75%, percentage of copper 65 is 100 minus 75, that means 25. Okay, this is the percentage calculation. Average relative atomic mass we have done with topics. Determining average relative atomic mass of isotopes.